tie something in here with Chuck. You cited Malachi chapter 4 and the restoring the hearts of the children to the father and father to the children. We've usually thought of that as the living generations. The generations are still alive on the earth. But that just casts a whole new light on it. The fathers who have gone on before, the forefathers, to their children and children's children's children, and restoring that. Well, that brings me up to Ephesians 1:10, that in the fullness of the dispensation of times, God will bring together all things which are in heaven and which are in earth, even into one, even into Christ Jesus. So he's restoring, he's unifying, bringing together. So I feel that just going down my legs right now, just tingles. I feel we are really touching some revelatory stuff here today.